this shit, no cap.
These folks got to hit this shit, no cap.
Who should I have a baby with?
Kennedy.
That's crazy. I mean, you can't talk to Kennedy no more.
Why?
Never again. It's over. Never again you can talk to Kennedy, okay?
Why?
Because you can't. So never again, ever, ever. Kennedy gone. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video with your boy DDG. Hey, give Woo Wop the phone real quick.
Here, there.
Woo Wop. Woo Wop.
Huh?
What you want from Burger King?
Fries.
Fries and what else?
Chicken.
You want chicken?
Yeah.
I thought you wanted a hamburger.
I want a hamburger.
What kind of hamburger? What you want on the burger?
Meat.
Just meat?
Yeah. In a bun.
Meat in the bun?
Yeah.
Alright, say less, homie. I'm on my way. Alright, so you heard Woo Wop. He said that he want a hamburger with meat in a bun. So I'm about to go get Woo Wop a hamburger with meat in a bun. And we about to film this mukbang. Smash the motherfucking like button. Woo Wop. Why they leave that dog in there like that? What's wrong? That's none of my business. That's none of my business.
Can I help you?
Hi, can I get a hamburger with a bun and meat?
Repeat that again?
Can I get a hamburger with a bun and meat?
Again, what's the belly price?
I'll take, well, that's what Woo Wop said he want. But yeah, we can get,
Hamburger with the belly price?
yeah, I'll take some fries too.
Okay.
And let me get a what this like, I never go to Burger King. What do you suggest as a chicken sandwich?
I can't hear you.
I said, what do you suggest for a chicken sandwich? I don't eat red meat.
Chicken sandwich?
Yes.
We have the original chicken sandwich and the crispy chicken.
Okay. How about the spicy crispy chicken? That slap?
The one spicy chicken?
Is that good?
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna fuck with that then. And then let me get the Hershey Sundae pie to go with. Nah, let me get the Oreo cheesecake. My bad.
Okay. Anything else?
The spicy chicken junior, is that small or something?
Yeah. So you want those regular big ones?
Yeah, I want the regular joint.
Okay.
I'm a big boy. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. And let me get shit. Let me get two bottles of water.
Okay.
And I think we good on that. I think that's good.
Okay, so it's gonna be 11:30. Thank you.
All right, bet. This type of water they gave a nigga, they must thought I was little meat or some shit. It's that Woo Wop shit. I'm big boy shit, nigga. Fuck around with y'all, bro. Goddamn, folk.
Why'd you give me a small burger?
That's what you asked for.
Okay, because I'm small.
Yeah, you're small.
One from grow and when I eat vegetables and fruit.
That's how you grow.
Oh, I don't know.
Say, what's up, everybody?
What's up, everybody?
You gotta wipe your face, man. What was you doing? This Wawa, wipe your face off. Wipe your face off, man. Come on, man. Come on, you can't be out here like that, Woo Wop. You hear me?
Okay.
Can't be out here like that. Say, I can't be out here like that.
I can't be out here like that.
Uncle.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So, Woo Wop got a burger. Show the camera your burger, boy. Yeah. Show the camera your burger. Open your burger up. Yeah. Yeah. Say yeah.
Yeah.
Say yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, she's struggling. Here we go. Gotta flip it this way. You said you ordered a burger with a bun and beet, right?
Yeah.
Open it up and see if that's what you ordered. Open it up. Open it up. That's what you wanted, right?
Yeah.
Bun and meat. You don't want no ketchup or mustard? Just that?
I want ketchup.
You want ketchup?
Yeah, with not Mustard.
You don't like mustard?
No.
Bite this then. Yeah.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Mmm. Mmm.
Let me get you some ketchup. What?
It's good.
Good.
Yeah.
I'm meaning to talk to you about a few things, what? Let me do your smiley face. You ready?
Okay.
Just smiley face on camera. Bam. That's how your booty sound when you fart.
Yeah. Ew! That's how to fight it.
What you gonna talk about today?
But they go on stage.
Don't spell it.
Okay.
Let me scoot you closer. How you been, man? You ain't been on my channel in a minute.
I know.
You been chilling?
Yeah. I've been grabbing my basketball.
For real, you playing basketball?
No.
Bite it. Do a thumbnail. Ready? Stay like that. Look at the camera with your wide eyes. Like this. Put your eyes like this. Put your eyes up and look at the camera. Put your mouth on the burger. It's okay. You did good enough.
Mmm.
It's cool. I ain't Burger King in a minute. I fuck with it. You fuck with it?
Yeah.
Oh, man. How you feel about... How's your love life going so far?
I know.
Huh?
I know.
You don't know? You are you single or are you in a relationship?
I'm single.
You single?
Yeah.
But you got a few girls you rock with?
Yeah.
Really? You got a few girls you rocking with? Who?
There's a bird right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, you want me to kill him?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna kill him. I ain't gonna kill nothing in front of you, okay? I'll kill him when you're not looking, okay?
Okay.
But yeah, who you fucking with these days, boy?
Candy.
I know what's funny is because he dead ass serious. You serious, ain't you?
Yeah.
You too young to be liking people.
But I'm a kid.
You too young to be liking people.
But I'm a kid.
I don't care if you're a kid, you're not a grown up.
But I'm a kid.
I don't care. What are you trying to like girls for right now?
Because I'm a kid.
That don't mean nothing. Who told you that was okay?
Nobody.
You just did it.
Yes.
So you do what you want.
Yes.
You pay bills around here?
Yes.
What bills you pay?
I took my mama money.
You took your mama money and paid the bills?
Yeah.
What bills you pay?
Mine.
So let me ask you.
Yes.
So how you and Kennedy relationship going?
I don't know.
It's on and off?
Yeah.
Who be the reason it's on and off? You or her?
Me?
What you be doing to make her not like you?
I don't know.
Quit moving, man. Why you moving so much?
What should I tell you? Scoot back by herself.
Oh, you want to scoot up?
Yeah.
You're not letting me know what it is, though.
My name is Darian,
Oh.
but my regular name is Darian.
It's your regular name?
Yeah. No, my regular name is Uwa.
You mean your nickname?
Yeah.
Your nickname is Wuwat, and your regular name is Darian.
Oh, that's my regular name. Look like that with that phone chomped up like Monster did it.
How old is Kennedy?
Tiny.
20?
Yeah.
How you know that?
She turned 20. Look like she's 20.
How you know she's 20?
I don't know.
You looked her up online?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
But when I grow, I'm gonna get a girlfriend.
Huh?
When I grow, I'm gonna get a girlfriend.
When?
When I grow.
When you grow up?
Yeah.
So Kennedy not your girlfriend?
She is.
I thought you said when you grow up. You're not grown up yet.
Okay. Then when I do that, I am.
Why you liking girls that I used to talk to?
I think it's gonna be Candy.
Get your own girlfriend, okay?
What's her name gonna be?
Huh?
What's her name gonna be?
What you want it to be?
Tammy.
Tiffany?
Yeah.
You fuck with that name?
Yeah.
If there's a Tiffany out there, slide a woo-wop DMs. They slide on my DMs. Tell them. Scoot over.
Slide on my DMs.
Let them know what's up. Hi, what's your Instagram name?
What?
It's Baby Woo-wop.
Yeah, baby. What? Oh, my phone is me.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So you done with Kennedy now?
No.
You gotta be. You just said that you was. You said you find another girl named Tiffany.
Okay.
I mean, you can't talk to Kennedy no more.
Why?
Never again. It's over. Never again you can talk to Kennedy, okay?
Why?
Because you can't. So never again, ever, ever. Kennedy gone. What's that? Just a man face? What am I supposed to do right now? I'm supposed to be sad? Am I supposed to... I'm supposed to feel bad for you? What if I'm not? It's not working with what? Kennedy gone. You don't need no girlfriend. You gotta focus on your school. Look, you only took one bite, huh?
Oh!
You brought the food, huh? I know you're not crying. So we're gonna find your new girlfriend because Kennedy gone, okay?
Okay.
Alright. See that is how you get over breakups, right?
Yeah.
That's how you get over breakups. You just say it's over, right? So a lot of y'all right now watching this, y'all going through a breakup. You see how quick woo-wop? He chilling now. All he needed was a bite of food.
A yoy burger, a chicken burger.
Yeah.
Mine is not.
How old are you?
Why do you have chicken on the burger?
I don't eat red meat.
What kind of meat you eat?
White meat.
White? But that's not white.
The inside is white.
Why?
I don't know.
Why was the inside white?
Woo-wop.
Huh? It looks good.
Who you think my girlfriend is?
Candy?
Really? That's who you think my girlfriend is?
Yeah.
Why you say that?
Because Candy is your girlfriend.
When? How you know that?
I don't know.
When was the last time you seen her?
When you and her went to our house.
When we come over here?
Last time.
When was last time?
When the sun was up.
Hmm?
When the sun was up.
The sun's still up right now. When
Okay.
did we come over here?
When the sun was up. Right now.
We came up right now.
Yes, when the sun was up.
How you know if you a smart kid?
I was starting the song in my mama car.
How the song go?
Huh?
Keep going.
Daddy, fair blow, help her, mental. I'm gonna back to my book. She ain't getting broke. Huh? I got first of my love together. Every mother, standing on the best of Daddy, fair blow, help her, mental.
Wait, eat your food. You gotta do that again.
Huh? Off foot, pastel, layer, ghetto, elemental, mellow, sound, pastel, daddy, fair blow, cocoa, mental, look at, I'm on back to my book. She ain't give me book. Huh? Pastel.
That's funny. He's funny, man.
Why is he eating ice cream?
I don't know, man. I'm being unhealthy today, bro.
This burger is good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Gotta eat. You gotta eat. That's how you get big and strong. Huh? Off-white Prestos, made it out the ghetto. Humble and a mellow, but still know I'm the best though. Latina gave me besos, and she from Sacramento. DDG finna blow like Coke mixed with Mentos.
And that you song?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Is that you?
Sing that song. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Me and you and now my mom go though.
Sing it. Hold up.
I don't know.
Why you looking at me sideways?
I don't know how to sing it.
You don't know that song?
No.
That's what you fuck with the hood songs?
Yeah.
Okay. I get it. I get it. You ain't no singer. That's cool with me, folk. Goddamn, folk.
You remember me and you was at the concert?
Yeah. What happened?
I was song with you.
Yeah, you was singing the song. You on stage?
Hey, you better turn this motherfucker up.
Yeah, Woo Wop came out on stage in Chicago, in Detroit, and he's singing the songs with me. The Off-White Prestos made it out the ghetto.
That's how that song goes.
Yep.
Do you like ice cream?
I might go over to Kennedy's house. I'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
Oh, you not sad?
No.
You can't go.
Why?
Okay, see, it's really over it, huh? That's what's up. You gonna spill it out the back. Bite off the back, flip it around, bite the back. Bite where the ketchup at. Yeah. Big boy. Put it down before you stuff your mouth. So what you think, Woo Wop? You think I should be single?
Yeah.
You think I should stay single forever?
No.
Why?
Because my uncle.
Huh?
Because my uncle.
Cause I'm your uncle? You fuck with single DDG more? You don't like when I'm in a relationship? Why?
Because
You ain't say not one real word that time, boy. You got a lot better from the other, I mean, you got a lot older since the other, Mukbangs. You smart.
I know.
Okay. Be cocky then. Talk your shit, boy.
Okay.
Yeah. You wanna end the Mukbang now?
Yeah.
Say, bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Say, see y'all later.
See y'all later.
Woo Wop, before we get out of here, when should I have a baby? We gonna have a cousin.
When I grow,
Who should I have a baby with?
Candy.
That's crazy. Well, guys, Woo Wop is smoking.
But that's not for kids.
Not for kids at all. Woo Wop has spoken, so Kennedy, if you're watching this,
That's not for kids.
it's not for kids. It's not a family channel. Don't play with that.
Is it ketchup in there?
Yeah, it's ketchup in there. You see it's ketchup in there.
Whoa, why is it red? Why is the ketchup red at the top?
It's doo-doo. All right, y'all.
No, it's not. It's not doo-doo.
Yes, it is. Say bye, everybody.
Bye. This
Say
is
I
not,
love-
This is not doo-doo.
It is doo-doo. Say
This is red.
see y'all later.
See y'all later.
All right, yeah.
This is not doo-doo.
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 All right.
Huh? Off-white Prestos, made it out the ghetto. Humble and I'm mellow, but still know I'm the best though.